Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go through how to check diagnostic codes if your check engine light comes on. Stick around. So I was on the way to work yesterday morning, and when I first started the bike, there was a little bit of lag, like the battery was almost dead. Reset the clock and all of that, but then it started right up. Engine code came on. Now I'm pretty sure that's just the battery. I had ridden up in some really cold weather a couple of days ago. The bike was out overnight. I think I drained it a little bit, and I should have put a battery tender on it when I got back, but I didn't. Anyway, everything was running fine. Put the battery tender on it through the night. No problems with it. However, light's still on. So how do we reset that?
Okay, so with the engine cutoff switch off, I'm going to press and hold and turn it on. Okay, diagnostic comes up, then you're going to scroll through. So I got an ECM code. All right, so you can scroll through all of them. BCM, no. Speedo, no. ABS, no. ECM, yes. So hold on ECM. It shows Papa 1608. We're going to look that up. So quick Google search. And like I said, Harley Davidson diagnostic code indicates loss of continuous battery and suggests an issue with the motorcycle's charging or battery. So that's what I thought. That part has already been fixed. Now, how do we reset the code? Okay, so now we found the code. We've looked it up. We know what the code is. The problem has already been corrected. All we need to do is reset it. Super simple. You're right here on the same screen. I'm going to press and hold. Boom, clear. There's your press and hold in this. Press and hold in the cycle button. Clears the code. All right, let's turn it back off. Cycles back through. We'll start it. That's it. Code's reset. All done. Thanks for watching. If you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe. Stay safe. See you out there. Let's go ride some motorcycles.